Your new A5X device, distributed by Abbott, is compatible with the FreeStyle LibreLink Special Edition app. When the app is installed on the A5X device, you can scan the sensor with the device to get your glucose readings. Your A5X kit includes a charging cord and outlet plug, your device, an A5X Quick Start Guide, and a Get Started instruction card. It outlines the steps on how to connect to Wi-Fi to install an app, or just follow the steps by watching this video. Before using the app, you must start the device and complete the device setup, which you can do in a few steps. Let's get started. First, go to an area with Wi-Fi. Setting up the A5X is easy. Turn on the device by pressing the Power On button until you see the screen light up. Next, select your language. Then, tap the forward arrow. The next step is to review the legal documents. Swipe upwards to scroll and read the legal documents. Once you have read and understand, tap Agree. Now you'll connect your device to Wi-Fi. You'll need to be in range of a Wi-Fi network for this step. Tap the forward arrow. You will see Wi-Fi network options on this screen. Tap on your known Wi-Fi network, and if it requires a Wi-Fi password, enter it. To view your password, tap on the eye icon, then tap Connect. With the device still connected to Wi-Fi, now wait up to 2 minutes for the new App Store to finish setting up. We recommend not tapping on any of the app icons during these 2 minutes. The new App Store will automatically launch once it has finished setting up. Success! Once the new App Store displays, your device setup is complete. Downloading the app is easy. Tap the Install button next to the FreeStyle LibreLink Special Edition App icon in the new App Store. And wait for it to download. Once it has completed downloading, tap the Circle button. You will see the FreeStyle LibreLink Special Edition App icon on your screen. The next step is to set up the app so you can start using it to monitor your glucose. You'll need Wi-Fi for this step. Tap on the FreeStyle LibreLink Special Edition App icon and wait for the app to load. This may take some time depending on your internet connection speed. The next step is to start the app. Tap Sign In if you already have a LibreView account, or tap Get Started Now. If you don't already have a LibreView account, we recommend creating one so you can share your glucose data with your healthcare team to prepare for your virtual or in-person visits. Tap Next to confirm your country. Tap Accept to accept the terms of use. Then tap the box to check it, and tap Accept. Next, read the privacy notice and tap Accept. Tap the box to check it and tap Accept. If you have an email address, tap the Create Account button to create a LibreView account. Doing so will enable you to share your glucose data with your healthcare team. After tapping Create Account, follow the on-screen instructions to create a LibreView account. Otherwise, tap Skip to use the app without creating an account. You should see this screen after completing or skipping the LibreView account creation steps. Tap Next to begin the glucose reading tutorial. Continue tapping Next as you read the screens until you complete the tutorial. Then, tap Done. The next step is to start a new sensor with the app. You should see this screen once you've successfully set up the app. After applying a new sensor on the back of your upper arm, you'll need to scan it with the device to start it. Scan the sensor with the middle portion of the back of the device. You may need to move the phone over the sensor a few times. You will receive 2 tones and vibrations after you have successfully started the sensor. You're all set. Once the app has been set up, no internet is required to monitor your glucose. However, we encourage you to keep Wi-Fi on so your data can be shared with your doctor if you have created a LibreView account. The sensor can be used to check your glucose after 60 minutes. A countdown in the app indicates how much time is left. Then, you'll be able to scan your sensor to view your current glucose trend arrow and last 8 hours of glucose history. To get the most out of your sensor, scan your sensor at least every 8 hours. Setting up your optional glucose alarms in the FreeStyle LibreLink Special Edition app is easy. First, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Then, tap Alarms. Read the tutorial screens and then tap Next. Confirm allowing the app to run in the background by tapping Allow. Do Not Disturb mode will prevent you from receiving alarms if you turn on Do Not Disturb on your device, unless you allow the override Do Not Disturb setting by tapping Next. Confirm allowing the override Do Not Disturb setting by tapping Next. Tap on the FreeStyle LibreLink Special Edition app toggle. Slide it to the On position to enable it. Then confirm that you are allowing access to override Do Not Disturb by tapping Allow. Then, tap the Back button at the bottom of the screen. Let's start with the low glucose alarm. Tap Low Glucose Alarm. Then, tap on the toggle to turn the alarm on. Confirm that the signal loss alarm will be automatically enabled by tapping OK. If the alarm is on, you'll be notified when your glucose falls below the alarm level, which is initially set at 3.9 millimoles per litre. If you'd like to change it to a different glucose value, tap the glucose threshold. Select the value you want and tap Save. To set the high glucose alarm, just follow the same steps. You also have the option to set up your personal glucose target range. The glucose target range default is 3.9 to 10 millimoles per litre. To change your glucose target range, tap the Overflow menu icon in the top right corner. Tap App Settings. Tap Report Settings. Select your desired target range glucose values and tap Save. Your setup is complete.